Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano ba mag-withdraw ng inyong komisyon sa TikTok. Sobrang dali lang nito guys, kaya naman panoorin nyo nga lang hanggang dulo. So, let's begin. First is go to your TikTok account.
Matching two strangers for a couple team shoot.
And then, itap nyo itong profile. After nan is, itap nyo naman itong TikTok shop. So, lalagyan ko na lang siya ng mga arrow para masundan nyo. Then, after nan, under nitong TikTok shop is nandito yung earnings. Itap nyo ito. So, ayan, magwi-withdraw tayo ng ating earnings sa ating TikTok account. So, nakalagay dito yung withdraw. So far, is yan pa lang yung aking earnings ngayon. So, nakalagay dyan yung withdraw money. So, dito is add payout method. Itap nyo ito. And then, itap nyo itong GCash. So, i-enter nyo lang yung inyong GCash account number. And then, after na, itap nyo itong submit. So, ayan, may verification code. I-enter nyo dito. Then, ilalagay nyo na yung amount dito sa peso sign. So, ang i-withdraw lang natin is 100. So, pwede nyo naman siyang i-withdraw lahat. So, after nyan is withdraw now. So, ayan, nakalagay dyan yung transfer to, yung number ko. Withdrawal amount is 100. Service fee is 5.60 pesos. Receiving amount is 94.40. So, after none is confirmed to withdraw. So, ayan. Withdrawal in progress. Funds should arrive in 1 business days. So, ayan. Ganun lang kasimple. So, ayan. Nag-text na sa akin yung GCash. So, ganyan lang kasimple mag-withdraw ng inyong commission sa inyong mga GCash. I mean, sa inyong TikTok. So, ayan. Na-receive ko na siya and then back na. So, ganun lang kasimple. Ganun lang kasimple mag-withdraw ng ating komisyon sa ating TikTok. So, sana nagustuhan nyo itong video na ito and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para palagi kayong updated sa mga video tutorial na i-upload ko. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. See you on my next video tutorial. Bye-bye!